Hello everyone, welcome to this quick tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to set up and use the Smart Budget Planner in Google Sheets. We'll create budget, record income, expenses, and savings, then explore the interactive dashboard together. By the end of this video, you'll know everything you need to start managing your finances with confidence. Let's get started. Sheet Overview. When you open the planner, you'll see these sheets at the bottom. User Guide, Budget, Financial Summary, Income, Expenses, Savings, Dashboard. If you're using the planner for the first time, I recommend reading the user guide later. For now, we'll go through everything together step by step. Step 1. Set your region. Recommended. Before you begin, let's make sure the planner matches your country. By default, the template is set to United States. If you're in another country, you can easily change the spreadsheet's region. This automatically updates the currency symbol, date format, and number formatting throughout the planner. To do this, go to File, then Settings. Under the General tab, find the locale setting. Choose your country from the list, then click Save Settings. That's it. The planner will automatically use your local formatting. For example, choose United States to use the US dollar, US date format, and number formatting. Choose United Kingdom to use the British pound and UK formatting. The same applies to many other countries around the world. Once your region is set, you're ready to start budgeting. Step 2. Set your opening balance. First, open the financial summary sheet. This sheet keeps track of your overall account balance. Most cells are protected because they contain formulas. The only cell you'll edit is the opening balance. Simply enter the amount of money you already have before you start tracking. If you're starting from zero, just enter 0. After that, the planner takes care of the calculations for you. Step 3. Customize your dropdowns. Next, let's personalize the planner. All categories, accounts, income sources, payment methods, and budget periods use dropdowns. To edit any list, click the dropdown and scroll. Select the pencil icon, add your own options, remove anything you don't need, then click Done. Important note: expense types and expense sheet update automatically from budget sheets using expense, bills, and debt categories. Simply edit the categories in their respective budget tables. Google Sheets will then dynamically cascade those updates to your main dropdown of expense type and expense sheet. Step 4. Create your budget. Now open the budget sheet. This is where you'll build your budget. The planner separates your budget into 3 sections: expenses, bills, and debt. For every category, simply enter 3 things: the category name, the budget period in days, and the budget amount. This is one of the planner's biggest advantages. Every category can have its own budget cycle. For example, groceries every 7 days, rent every 30 days, insurance every 90 days. Set it once. The planner automatically adjusts your allowed budget for every report you generate. Step 4. Record your income. Now open the income sheet. Whenever you receive money, add a new row, enter the date, select the income source, choose the account, enter the amount, optionally add a note. Repeat this whenever money comes in. Step 5. Record your expenses. Next, open the expenses sheet. This is where you'll spend most of your time. For each expense, simply enter the date, the expense category, the amount, the payment method, the account, and an optional note. Always enter positive amounts. The planner automatically treats them as expenses. Step 6. Record your savings. Now open the savings sheet. Whenever you move money into savings, enter the date, choose the savings goal, enter the amount, select the account, optionally add a note. That's all you need to do. Step 7. Explore the dashboard. Now for the exciting part. Open the dashboard. At the top, choose any start date and any end date. Unlike traditional budget planners, you're not limited to monthly reports. You can review a single week, 2 weeks, 1 month, a quarter, an entire year, or any custom date range you choose. The dashboard updates instantly. Financial overview. At the top, you'll see a complete summary of your finances: opening balance, income, expenses, savings, and net balance. This gives you a quick snapshot of your financial performance. Savings rate. Next, you'll find your savings rate. This shows what percentage of your income you've saved during the selected period. It's one of the easiest ways to measure your saving habits over time. Generally, a higher savings rate means you're keeping more of what you earn and building stronger financial habits. Financial health score. This score gives you a quick snapshot of how well you're managing your budget. It looks at 2 important factors. First, how much you're saving compared to your income. And second, how many budget categories are over budget. Based on these, the planner calculates a score out of 100. You'll also receive a simple rating: excellent, good, fair, or needs improvement. As your savings grow and you stay within budget, your financial health score improves automatically. Over budget categories. This chart highlights only the categories that exceeded their budgets. It helps you identify exactly where overspending happened. Budget overview. The budget overview compares your actual spending with your allowed budget. You'll also see your remaining budget, your budget status, and overall budget utilization, making it easy to stay on track. Interactive charts. The dashboard includes several interactive charts: budget versus spending, income versus expenses, income breakdown, expense breakdown, and your most expensive categories. These charts help you understand exactly where your money is going. Smart financial insights. One of the most powerful features is the Smart Insights section. Here you'll discover your largest transaction, your highest spending day, your main income source, how many days remain in your selected period, your recommended daily spending, and a personalized financial recommendation based on your actual data. These insights update automatically every time your data changes. Important tips. Before you start using the planner, remember these simple tips. Only edit input cells. Don't modify formulas. Always use the drop-down lists. Add new records on new rows, and avoid inserting new columns. Following these guidelines keeps everything running smoothly. Outro, and that's it. Your smart budget planner is now ready to use. Simply build your budget once. Record your transactions regularly, and let the planner organize everything for you. If you ever need help, just open the user guide included with the template. Thank you for watching. Happy budgeting.